This script allows you to cycle through the RGB channels with an assigned hotkey. Typically, to cycle through the red, green, and blue channels in Silhouette, you need to press Alt+R, Alt+G, Alt+B, and then the same hotkey combo to return back to color. And to be honest, I'm just not that coordinated to accurately use that hotkey combo, and I needed something easier. So let me stop this here. So this script allows you to press the 5 key on the top of the keyboard or the 5 key on the numeric keypad to cycle through RGB and then back to color. So if I press 5 over and over, you can see that I'm cycling through RGB and back to color. And you can see also that it's updating up here in the top of the viewer, RGB, and then back to color. There are two instances that could be conflicts here to keep in mind if you use this script. First, in the paint node here, if you have an input, a paint source hooked up to the third input here, you won't be able to use the 5 key to view it. The viewer displays are mapped sequentially. So 1 is output, 2 is foreground, and then if you go over to the paint node here, input 1 is the 3 key, input 2 here is the 4 key, and input 3 here is the 5 key. So if you use this script, you won't be able to use the 5 key to see the input 3 for your paint source. But you can always go over here to the viewer pull down and just select it from here. Second, the 5 key is also normally the composite view for the roto node. So if you have sources hooked up to FG and BG inputs for a roto node, you won't be able to view the composite result with the 5 key, but you can do so with the viewer pull down. And another solution is just to open up an additional panel view. If I go to the plus icon here, I can open up another roto node viewer, and I can dock it in next to my main viewer. And we'll zoom in a little bit. So now you can see in here, in this view here, I'm selected on the viewer composite. It's a little bit compressed there. Viewer composite. So I can also just view my roto output there in the composite view. So that's just a little workaround. So once again, if I press the 5 key, I'm cycling through RGB in the main viewer window here. And I can also access this through the Actions, KMFX, Cycle RGB channels here, but it's just going to go through one by one. And we'll go through those really quickly. RGB and then back to color. So it's a little faster just to use the 5 key over and over. So let us know if you have any questions.